Dear students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal. Welcome you all to my channel NS Online Math Classes. I am sorry I could not publish any video for over 2 months due to my physical illness. Before this period, I was making short videos on the topic inequalities, but I was having difficulty in explaining every section of it within that short time in duration, that is of 1 minute. Therefore, I have decided to make normal length videos henceforth. So, let us start with our today's topic. Our today's topic is showing inequalities on a number line where the variable x will be a real number. Okay? First of all, I'll be explaining the rules, then I'll be taking up 4 examples to explain the rules. Okay? So, stay tuned till the end. The first rule is a filled-in circle or solid circle means that value of the variable is included. It is used to represent the greater than or equal to or the less than or equal to sign. Means the equality sign should be included, only then will we be using the filled-in circle. Second rule says an open circle means that value is excluded. It is used to represent greater than or less than. Third one, an arrow indicates every value in that direction will make the inequality true. If you are getting confused, you are not understanding the true meaning of these rules, we will be coming to the examples and I am sure you will be able to understand the meaning of each of these rules. Okay? We will be coming to the examples very soon. The last one is a line connecting two circles means that every real value between those 2 points satisfy the inequalities. Now we come to the examples. The first example is x is greater than or equal to 1 where x is a real number. It can have any real number value which can be greater than or equal to 1. Okay? So, we will be expressing this inequality on a number line. This is the number line, and since we are having this greater than or equal to sign, we will be using the rule number 1, which is giving us this filled-in circle, which is asking us to use the filled-in circle. We will be using the filled-in circle on top of the number 1 because x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay? X can be equal to 1, so we are using this filled-in circle. And next comes the arrow, which is rule number 3. An arrow indicates every value in that direction will make the inequality true. So, we will be having an arrow which will be pointing towards the right because every point on the number line which lies towards the right side of this point 1 will be having a value more than 1. It can be 1.1, it can be 3.9, it can be 2.5, but every value on the number line lying on the right side of this number 1 has a value greater than 1. So, the arrow will be pointing towards the right, indicating that every value starting from this value 1 may be the solution or may be the value for this variable x. Okay? Coming to the second example. X is less than 2. Now, it is less than, it is not including the equality sign, so we will be taking the rule number 2. It will be an open circle. So, first of all, we will be having an open circle on top of this number 2 and then the arrow, obviously the arrow this time will be pointing towards the left because it is less than 2. Every value, it may be 1, it may be 0, it may be minus 2, all values, all points on the number line lying towards the left of this value 2 on the number line will be having a value less than 2. So, the arrow is pointing towards the left. Third example. Now, this is a combined inequality. X is greater than or equal to -1, but x is less than 2. So, we will be having 2 circles. First one is x is greater than or equal to -1. So we will be having a filled in circle on top of -1. And we will be having an open circle on top of +2 because +2 is not included. X is less than +2. And then we will be using the rule number 4, which says a line connecting two circles means that every real value between those 2 points satisfy the inequalities. So we will be connecting these 2 circles by a straight line, indicating that every point on this number line which lies between these 2 numbers -1 and 2 may be a value or a solution for the variable x. Okay? All these numbers will be present in the solution set of x. And -1 is present in the solution set of x, whereas 2 is not present in the solution set of x because x is less than 2. Okay? Now the final example, x is less than 0 or x is greater than 1. Now in this case, we are having 2 disconnected inequalities. We are having 2 separate inequality conditions. In the first 3 examples, we had a single inequality condition. The third one is having a combined inequality, but it is a continuous one. But for the fourth one, we are seeing the 2 inequalities are connected by this word or. So they are 2 discontinuous inequalities. Let us see how to plot them on a number line. So this is the number line, and first of all we come to x is less than 0. Since it is less than 0, we will be having an open circle on top of the number 0, and less than 0 will be having the arrow pointing towards the left. And for x is greater than 1, again an open circle on top of 1, and this time since it is greater than 1, x is greater than 1, the arrow will be pointing towards the right. Okay, so no value lying between 0 and 1 can be present in the solution set of x. X can have any value less than 0 or any value greater than 1, but no value from 0 to 1, 0 and 1 included. Okay? So students, this brings us to the end of this session. This is how we express inequalities on a number line. Please like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for staying with me till the end. We meet again very soon. Till then, bye.